Hi friends, welcome to Weekly Forex Heads Up. Professor Joe here, where we'll be monitoring and analyzing major currency pairs and Bitcoin. Welcome back to Weekly Forex Heads Up. Let us check the Forex Factory calendar for this week. Monday 17 Jan. Yes, there is an important news in JPY BOJ Outlook report, which is important for people who are trading in USD yen or any other yen pairs. Tuesday, no major news. Wednesday is a big day. There is CPI news for GBP, that is Great Britain Pound, and CPI news for CAD, that is Canadian Dollar. BOE, Governor Bailey speaks. This is a very important news. At the same time, Australian dollar, employment change and unemployment rate. Some important news on Wednesday. Thursday, no major news. Friday, no major news. So traders, you have to keep your eyes open for Monday and Wednesday, where we have some major news coming up in JPY, GBP, CAD and AUD. So traders, let's continue where we left last week. So we had two targets. If the market moves upside, the target would be 1.1530, and if the market would move downside, our target was 1.1190. The market did not move very swiftly, but yes, it has broken this resistance level and it has gone up. So this week movement expected, I think it might continue to target 1, or it might go a little bit up and then continue downward, looking at the major trend. So if the market continues upward, it might go up to 1.1530, and then over there we will see how the market moves ahead. And if the market decides to continue with the major trend, we are looking at a movement downward to 1.1190. Next currency pair, GBP USD. GBP USD trended very well last week, but last 2 days it retraced back. Okay, so I think if the market continues in the direction which it has been going for last 3 weeks, that is the upward direction, then our first target would be somewhere close to 1.3850, and if the market retraces as per the long-term trend, then our second target would be 1.3375, and the third target would be 1.3190. So what we are looking at in terms of market movement is, if it continues something like this to upward direction, or it might just go up a little bit and come towards target 2, and it might go to target 3. So these are some movements which we can predict for GBP USD for the coming week. Next pair, USD JPY. USD JPY last week actually retraced back down. Of course, the long-term trend is upward. The market retraced down. So this week we can expect that the market might continue down to target number 1, that is 112.80, or it might retrace back upward again to 115.40. So if you go and look at the movement, it would be something we look at market continuing this way before it can go back up in the main direction of the trend, which would be something like that, or the second movement upward would be something similar, but before it comes back down. So if it directly goes upward, the target is 115.50, and if it is planning to come down, it will be around 112.80. Next pair, AUD USD. Last week the market went upward direction and then retraced back again to the same level. If you see, the market went up and then retraced back. Although the major trend is downwards, but if the market continues, it might continue back a little bit upward, retrace back close to that long-term trend line, and at the same time the resistance level and 0.7311 is somewhere it might go up to, or the second would be target 2, where it might go a little bit up and then come down to 0.7020, and the movement that I expect would be something like this, wherein the market might not too steep upwards nor downward, something. This is what I expect the market to do. If it is going upward, it might not be a very quick movement upward because the major trend is downside, and if it is falling down, yes, I think it might go to target number 2 because the major trend is on the downward direction. Next pair, BTC USD. Last week the market was total in consolidation, and if the consolidation continues, then we are looking at the market remaining at 42,000 level. But if the market decide to retrace back and break this trend line, then our target upside would be 51,300, and if the market decides to continue with the trend, our next target would be 30,000. There were experts who said also that the target would be somewhere close to 38,000. So 38,000 is also a very important support level, and the market movements, what we expect would be either it continues in the same place over here where it remains in a sideways direction. The second is if it breaks the trend line, it will continue upwards to 51,200 level, or if it continues with the direction of the trend, then this is what we are seeing, wherein the first target somewhere would be close to 38,000 and the second one would come drop down all the way to 30,000. So let's see how BTC USD performs in the coming week. Well friends, that's all for this week's Forex Heads Up. Trade as per your plan and keep your risk under control. If you like my work, please do like and share. And for weekly updates, please subscribe. Thank you. Namaskar.